WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Let's start on 24-hour temperature cast that doesn't expect a whole lot of motion with these numbers. I think we can get up into the 60s. Some spots are starting real close, but the showers this afternoon are going to do a pretty good number on limiting where those temperatures are able to climb to. I see a little bit of activity on the radar right now, some of it along I-10, especially in Madison County, but really most of the showers we're dealing with this morning really light. Off to the north and to the west, there's a lot more going on, and when that energy gets here later on today, our rain chances go up, and that's when we could see some decent rainfall accumulations, maybe an inch or more in spots. We've already had a little bit of activity in the overnight period. We're going to find a whole bunch more this afternoon with this next round of energy. Now, this is the final round of energy, at least in this batch, and so after we get past this, maybe this time tomorrow morning, then we're done for a couple of days, and I think we get some brighter skies and some drier conditions and some very nice early March-like weather. Maybe not as nice as what we had this past weekend when it felt more like April, but I do think we're in for a couple of nicer days, hopefully starting during the day Wednesday, although it may take a little while to scour out all those clouds. It's 55 right now in Thomasville. It's 57 with a little light rain falling in Valdosta. We're at 58 degrees in Tallahassee. All around the region, we span from a 52 and a 53 in Blakely and in Dothan to a 63 at Apalachicola. Wakulla High School and Perry both checking in at 60. We're at 57 degrees in Bainbridge and in Quincy. I see limited fog out there. There is a little bit of a breeze helping to stir things up. But if you take a look across the Gulf Coast region, we see all this energy here to the west moving through parts of Mississippi and Alabama, and that's what's going to bring us all the rain later on. That's the energy, dragging a cold front through the area, behind which is some cooler but mostly drier air. I don't expect any steps into the deep freeze, but with a breeze from the north and northwest, with some drier and cooler air taking place, things are going to start to feel a little bit more the way they're supposed to in early March, and that means we're going to find some lower morning lows, and those daytime highs are going to struggle a little bit. Take a look here at FUTURECAST as we go through our day today. That's a pretty big swath of moisture coming through the whole area, but by early tomorrow, most of it should be gone, and then we just got to wait out some of those clouds, and it should happen fairly quickly tomorrow. So that does mean we have a good chance to bring back the blue in the sky starting on Wednesday. It should stick around for Thursday and Friday, and then we'll have to see if some of the hints of some new energy coming our way get here just in time for the weekend. We've got some time to work on that for you. On the Gulf today, small crafts, use some caution. Those winds out of the east, 12 to 22, breezy enough. We are going to finish the high tides a little before 6, so they're all done now. Low tides as we go through the later morning hours. Mostly it's 50s, some 60s. We'll go with lots of clouds and some showers. Rain chances like 80 or 90% for this afternoon, for this evening. The warm spots will climb a little bit into the 60s, but everybody's not going to get there. Tonight, still showery. Still kind of soggy to start our Wednesday, but during the day Wednesday, we scour out those clouds and those showers, and look what happens to the temperatures. The morning numbers drop a little bit in the 40s. Hopefully the daytime highs Thursday and Friday get back into the 70s, on which should be the two nicest days of the week. At this point, it's starting to feel like Saturday can be a soggy one. We've got some time still.